To change the battery, first of all what you need to do is open the battery drawer. There's normally a little lip on the underneath of the battery of the hearing aid itself, and then what you'd do is you'd open the drawer and open the drawer fully. You then remove the battery, and this can be recycled. You would then get a new battery out of the pack, so there's normally a lip on the underneath and there's just a turntable. Every new battery is attached to a little sticker. As soon as you release the sticker from the battery, it starts to work. You've then got two sides to a battery. You've got one side that's completely flat and the underneath has a little ridge. You always put the ridge at the bottom and you always put the flat side up at the top. It should be smooth. And all you do then is you just close the drawer over and that's your battery changed.